Integrated Math 2 Worksheet C. Today's lesson, determine angle measure when parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Naming a plane. Planes are named using 3 points on the plane or cursive capital letters. So 3 points on a plane, so we call this plane A, B, C, or B, single cursive uppercase letter, so we call this plane R. So an example of plane below, so we call this a plane ABC or plane R. Okay. Collinear points are 2 or 3 points on the same line. So here is an example of our collinear points A, B, and C, or points D, B, E. Non-collinear points, any 3 points combination that are not on the same line. Okay, similarly, the same concept, coplanar points are 4 or more points on the same plane. Okay, so here we have our coplanar point A, B, C, and D, and a non-collinear point, so point E is non-collinear because E is not on the plane. Okay, intersecting lines. So, and perpendicular line that form a right angle, and the other concept is parallel lines. So parallel lines do not intersect. Okay, transversal, a line that crosses a pair of parallel lines. So this red line is called your transversal line. Corresponding angles. Angle in the same position on parallel lines cut by a transversal are congruent. So for example, angle 2 and angle B are corresponding angles. So that means that angle 2 is congruent to angle B. And we can see that angle 3 is corresponding to angle C. So then angle 3 is congruent to angle C. Right. Similarly, we said angle 1 is corresponding to angle A, so angle 1 is congruent to angle A, and angle 4 is congruent to angle D. Okay, so here is another way of writing it. So then angle A is corresponding to angle 1, they are congruent. Angle B is corresponding to angle 2, they are congruent. Angle C is corresponding to angle 3, they are congruent, and angle D is corresponding to angle 4, and they are congruent. Okay, the other concept is called alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are between the intersecting line and on opposite sides of the transversal. Each pair of alternate interior angles are congruent. So here we have angle 4 and 6. Alternate interior angles, so they are congruent, and angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate interior angle, and they are congruent. Same side interior angles. Same side interior angles are between the intersecting lines and on the same sides of the transversal. The pair of same side interior angles is supplementary. So angle 4 and angle 5 are same side interior angles. So the measurement of angle 4 plus the measurement of angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees. Angle 3 and angle 6 are same side interior angles. So the measurement of angle 3 plus the measurement of angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees. Same side exterior angle. Same side exterior angles are on the same side of the transversal but outside of the lines. Same side exterior angles are supplementary. So we said angle 1 and angle A are same side exterior angles, so the measurement is 180 degrees. And angle 2 and angle 7 are same same side exterior angles. So the measurement of angle 2 plus the measurement of angle 7 is equal to 180 degrees. Alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angles are on the opposite sides of the transversal and outside the lines. If two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then each pair of alternate exterior angles are congruent. So angle 1 and angle 7 are alternate exterior angle, and they are congruent. Angle 2 and angle 8 are alternate exterior angles, and they are congruent. Right, so here is a summary. Alternate interior angles are congruent. Right, so an example here, we see that angle 4 is congruent to angle 5, and angle 3 is congruent to angle 6. And number 2, alternate exterior angles are congruent, so then we can say angle 2 is congruent to angle 7, and angle 1 is congruent to angle 8. And same side interior angles are supplementary, so then the measurement of angle 3 plus the measurement of angle 5, not B, but 5, equal to 180 degrees. Right? And then number 4, same side exterior angles are supplementary. So then here we can say angle 1 plus the measurement of angle 7 equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so that's the end of our notes for worksheet C. So your assignment for today is on worksheet C, page 1, page 2, and page 3.